So this is the instrument called as throttle station. So in this different varieties of companies are there. So here we are using you can see Pentax is the company name in which we are using. Okay, so the person he is going and fixing the throttle station at a station point. You can observe. So he is fixing the throttle station to the tripod stand. Once after fixing it to the tripod stand, so like all other instruments, initially you have to check. You can see here the bubble tube as well as another bubble tube is also there. You can observe here at the bottom. Yeah, this is another bubble tube. So these two bubble tubes must be leveled for ensuring that the centering process is done. So initially you can see here he is doing the leg adjustment and making the bubble tube coming to the center. You can observe with the help of leg adjustment, tripod leg, he will be adjusting the bubble to the center. Next procedure is as the same. So we will be placing the instrument parallel to any foot screws and he is operating and ensuring that you can see the bubble is coming to the center. Yeah. Once after making it center, again turn 90 degrees and again operate the third screw. Yeah, you can observe. So he is operating the third foot screw. You can observe the bubble is coming to the center portion. Okay, once it is bubbled to the center portion, again you cross verify by turning it again parallel to 2 foot screws. Any minor adjustment is required. You can see second time also it gone. So again you need to ensure that you should get correct leveling. Yeah. Okay, you can observe it is leveled. Next one, again turn it to 90 degrees and ensure it is perfectly leveled. You can observe once after doing the topmost one, the bubble which is present on the tripod stand itself, automatically it will also be leveled and it is coming onto the center portion. You can observe. Okay, only just minor adjustment we are doing. Now you can observe we are switching on the instrument. Yeah, this R425 VN is the model number of the throttle station which we are using. Yeah, you can see here. So it is showing here on the screen as mode A, which is having horizontal angle 92 degrees and vertical angle 90 degrees. And next one is the slope distance. SD is nothing but slope distance. So you can see here what are the options that are present. Measurement, target, zero set, display as well as mode. So for measurement of any type of experiment, we need to go with doing with the mode A. So directly if you want to measure anything, directly you can use mode A, or initially if you fix all the things, then you should start means you should press the F5 button. Okay, then it will change to mode B. You can observe. Okay, so once after entering into the mode B, after making all the temper adjustments, the initial step is we have to make it zero set with respect to north direction. You can observe here you have placed the magnetic compass on the top of the throttle station for ensuring we are fixing the instrument, making it 00 to the north direction. Next I will be directing the person. You can observe to come him to set to the setting. Yeah, some more. Okay. Okay. So we will be directing the person and fixing the ranging rod to fix at 0 0. Then after that you can observe there is one option here that is called as 0 set. Okay. Next what we will be doing is we will be fixing 0 north direction and we will be setting 0 set with respect to north direction. For that what we have to do is you have to press F3 button 2 times. You can observe the horizontal angle it came to 0 0 and the vertical angle you got it as 90 degrees. Like this initially you have to make the instrument 0 set with respect to the north direction. You can see the plumb bob which is present at the station point and the point where the plumb bob is kept, that is called as station point. So from station point we have fixed the instrument and we have made it center 0 0 with reference to the north direction by using the 0 set option.